Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are here again. Alhamdulillah. Lesson continues as I said earlier. So we are through with the perimeter of square, perimeter of rectangle. Now we are on perimeter of a circle, as you can see on the board. This is lesson number 3. So this is a circle. A circle is a rounded shape. Now, so a straight line that divides a circle into two equal halves is called a diameter, while a line from the center of the circle to the circumference of the circle is called the radius. While this line of circle or this diagram of circle itself, the line that make it a circle, is called the circumference or the perimeter. The distance around a shape is called the circumference of the circle or the perimeter of the circle. Now let's go through what I have here. A radius, as I said earlier, is a line that is drawn from the center of the circle to the circumference of the circle. It could be anywhere, just from the center to any part of the circumference. Radius r is given as d over 2, while d is the diameter. So radius is half of diameter. From this point to this point is radius. From here to here is another radius. So radius plus radius gives you diameter. Now diameter is given as d, as r plus r. Radius plus radius, that is what? 2r. That is how we find our diameter. Then the circumference of a circle or perimeter of a circle is given as 2 pi r or pi d. R is radius, d is diameter. And the pi itself is 22 over 7 or 3.142 or 3.14 or 3 whole number 1 over 7. By the time you say 7 times 3 is 21 plus 1 gives you 22 over 7. Just like this. Now let's go and look at some questions. Example 1. Calculate the perimeter of a circle whose radius is 7 centimeter and take pi to be 22 over 7. Question 2. Find the circumference of a circle whose diameter is 21 centimeter. Take pi to be 3.142. Question 3. Find the radius of a circle whose diameter is 18 centimeter. Question 4. Find the diameter of a circle whose radius is 12 centimeter. All this question covers the formula we have here. All the questions there cover the formula we have here. Let's start. Question 1. Calculate the perimeter of a circle whose radius is 7 centimeter. Let's go on. Question 1. So perimeter of a circle is given as C or P equal to 2 pi r. Here could be C as circumference or P as perimeter. But r is given as 7 centimeter and pi is given as 22 all over 7. Now by substitution, P is now equal to 2 times pi times r, which implies 2 times 22 over 7 times 7. So this is now equal to 2 times 22 times 7 over 7. So this line will be extended. So 7 cancel what? 7. So we now have 2 times 22, which is equal to 44 centimeter. That is all. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is so 4. That is 44 centimeter. That is all about question number 1. As I said earlier, P could be perimeter or P is also what? Circumference of the circle. Question 2. Find the circumference of a circle whose diameter is 21 centimeter. Pi is 3.142. Now, so circumference or perimeter is equal to 2 pi r or pi d. Here, we don't have r. We can also apply this formula. By the time we divide 21 by 2, whatever you have becomes the r. But now, since we have d here, diameter is d. And pi is given as 3.14. I'm not mistaken in the question. Yes, 3.14. Now we are going to apply this formula. So D is given as 21 centimeter. We are there. By substitution, we have 2 times 3.14 times 21. So 2 times 21 times 3.14, all the same. 2 times 21 is 42 times 3.14. Let's do our rough work in here. We have 314 and 42. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 4 times 4 is 16. Keep 1 arises. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 gives you 5. 4 times 3 is 12. We add together. We have 8. We have 8. We have 11. We carry 1. Here becomes 1 plus 2. That is 3. And here is what? 1. Don't forget to have 2 decimal places. 1, 2. Pi d. Example 2 of lesson 3. To find the circumference of a circle whose diameter is 21 centimeter and pi is 3.14. So what I apply here is, so circumference is equal to 2 pi r or pi d. Now since d is given here and r is not given, to go directly just make use of this pi d. So see, pi is given as 3.14 and d is given as 21 centimeter. Very simple. Please don't include 2 again, because 2 is not in this formula. Just multiply these 2 values. So this implies 3.14 times 21 centimeter. So let's do our rough work here. So 3, 1, 4 and 21. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Let's add. We have 4, 9, 5 and 6. Don't forget, we have 2 decimal, it has 2 decimal places, 1, 2. You count from here, 1, 2, place decimal points here. Therefore, C or P is equal to 65.94 centimeter, or C is equal to 65.9 centimeter approximately. So, example 3 of lesson 3, find the radius of a circle whose diameter is 18 centimeter. This one is very simple. So R radius is equal to D over 2. D over 2. But D is given as 18 centimeter. D is given as 18 centimeter. So R now is that equal to 18 over 2. Divide 18 by 2. Divide the value of D by 2, you get your R, which is equal to 9 centimeter. That is all. The radius is 9 centimeter. Then, question 4 of lesson 3. Find the diameter of a circle whose radius is what? 12.5 centimeter. So to get diameter now, diameter is equal to 2R, or R plus R. We are there. Now, is D itself is given, D is not given, but we are looking for the D itself, but R is given. So D is now equal to 2 times the value of R, which is 12.5 centimeter. 12.5 centimeter. Let's go. So 2 times 5, we have 10, right? 0 and carry 1. 2 times 2 is 4. Plus 1 will carry, we have what? 5. And 2 times 1 is 1. So don't forget to have 1 decimal point placed here. We have, excuse me please, 2 times 5 is 10. Then carry 1. 2 times 2 is 4. Plus 1 carry, we get what? 5. Then 2 times 1 is 2. Then we introduce our decimal point here. We have 25.0. Therefore, D is equal to what? 25 centimeter. I hope it's clear. So let's take assignment again. As I said earlier, I said perfect practice makes perfection. Let's take these assignments. Solve it at home. It makes you to understand the problem the more. Assignment. Calculate the perimeter or the circumference of the following circles. 1. If here is the center and here is a radius, the radius is given as 14 centimeter. Then 2, we have this long line indicates the diameter and is given as 46 centimeter. That is all. So you can use any of the formula, and I can apply the formula 2 pi r or pi d. You can use 2 pi r or pi d. This one, take pi to be 22/7, and here take pi to be 3.14. Thank you and good luck. May Allah bless you all. Till we meet again, God bless you and stay safe. Masalam.